If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Etsy, follow these steps to ensure the process is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Access your Etsy account by visiting the Etsy website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the transaction you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to your purchases. Once logged in, click on New at the top right corner of the page, then select Purchases and Reviews from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a list of your recent purchases. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your purchases to find the pending transaction you want to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so look for any that indicate they have not yet been completed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the transaction you wish to cancel. This will open up the details of the order, including the seller's information and the status of the transaction. Step 5. Request cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the iterok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation regarding your cancellation request. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Etsy or the seller. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for assistance.